we've got updates. Clutch is back in. Old gasket gone. Genuine one back in again. You know, no expense spared on this little project. Anyway, let's see if all of that is going to work. Key on, clutch on. Oh, we're in gear. Neutral. Let's go. Fuck sake. Okay, so after much wailing and gnashing of teeth, we've come back around to this problem that we completely just sort of ignored when we saw it the first time round. I don't know why I ignored it. I thought it was going to be an issue, but it obviously is an issue. So this is the plunger that pulls. That's a bearing surface. Okay, thrush bearing on there. So that pulls against the spring force which releases the clutch. Okay, so that's going to pull outwards. This is the actuating lever that grabs hold of this, that rotates where the cable is, up here. Cable pulls that way. Cable pulls up that way. That turns. The other end of this has got a little cleversy thing on it. Can you see that? Yes. So, that's what it looks like inside the bike. But if you look closely, can you see how worn that is? That little step, get a pointy thing and point at it for you. This thing here should be square. Okay, so that shouldn't be stepped in and rounded and stuff. That should be like a square button. So I'm missing some metal there. Okay. The hook bit here that it fits onto is also worn horrendously. Okay, that should be like a nice square edge there. Not all rounded off and horrible looking. So when these two things marry up, you can see how worn it is. So I'm losing that much and then like that much lever pull action, which equates to quite a bit. Look how much lever pull that action is I'm losing there. So we're going to do the right thing and fix these two and put it back together again. These would be a hardened steel pin, and that should be a hardened steel pin as well. That's all. You can tell by the way that it is that it's hard. That's a bearing surface. So anyway, let's make that fit and work again, shall we? So how are you going to fix that then? Well, you're not. I am. across there, look. Beautiful. Okay, I've got my drawing. I've got my freshly fabricated bit, and I've got my lathe. Let's crack on. Okay, here's our drawings, and that, I reckon that matches the drawing pretty much spot on. You rough-assed bastard. Okay, that one is mint. Next job, we've got to reinstate this cutout. It's 7.35 up, it's 5mm wide, which is the same as that, and that distance there doesn't really matter. So let's come over here where we've marked out precisely using my DRO on my vise. So we'll just make a hole in there, round the bottom corner off nicely. You know, I should be in manufacturing, me. A beautiful blunt diamond burr, exactly the right width. Nice. And here we have it, folks, the finished article. I think you'll agree it's going to be absolutely perfect when it's back in the bike. Okay, when that marries up with that one, that's like brand new, that is, look. So they go in there, and now I've got all of that movement back. Look how much it moves now. Yeah? Absolutely great. Now then, don't be thinking I don't know what you're thinking. You're thinking, there's no way he's putting that back in the engine. Well, you'd be wrong. I am putting that back in the engine. And I will see if it works or not. Not by running the engine up. I'm not a complete idiot. But we'll just make sure that the clutch works by putting it in gear, not with the engine on. We'll pull the clutch in and see if we can spin the back wheel by hand. And if that releases the clutch nicely, then we'll go and buy some new ones. Clutch bodgy lever thing back installed. Things are promising. This is back where it should be before it was pulled right up, and clutch end I'm wound right in. So I've got loads of adjustment left, and pulling the lever, I can feel that's doing something. So let's jack the bike up precariously, put it into a gear, and then see if I can turn the back wheel by hand. Bear with. Okay, so it's moment of truth time again. Hopefully less swearing this time. We've got the bike jacked up. Back wheel spins. We're in neutral. It's balanced on a scissor jack. It's fine. Fine. So the test is, put it into gear. That's in gear. Pull the clutch in. And can I move the back wheel? Right, let's see, shall we? In gear, clutch in. Moving. Releasing clutch slowly. On. That's first gear. That's top gear. Locked. Oh yeah. Easy. Can you see me moving the back wheel? Yeah. Sort of staring to my armpit here. Release clutch. Biting point. When you find a problem and you fix it, it's as satisfying as farting away a stomachache. So this one is starting to come back around. Pleased I fixed that fault. New bits on order. Let's bang them in. That'll be just the job. Now, if it's not one thing, it's another. Look down here. Bloody antifreeze off the other bike this time. What's going on?